Okay, so let's talk about my goldfishes. I have five goldfish and eight shubikins, and three of them are 2 years old, and two of the goldfish are 7 months old. The age is according to when I bought them. That's when I start the age, and the shubikins are 1.5 years old. So this is a 3 foot long, 3 foot wide, and 2.5 feet high tank. It's made out of 10 mm glass. It has two top brace on it. It's filtered by 3 feet wide, 1 foot in depth, and 18 inches in height sump. I will show you in a bit. So first, let's talk about the tank. The tank is approximately 650 liters, and sorry for the background noise. The tank is approx 650 liters, and it's not bare bottom like before. It has gravel in the bottom and some big stones and goldfish. I feed my goldfish twice a day, pellets and sometimes shrimp and sometimes bloodworms. And my goldfish water changes are sorry, 30% a week, and 30% a week, and every 2 months 100% water change. The 100% water change includes removing gravel from the aquarium, washing it, washing the plants, cleaning the pipes internally, cleaning the sump thoroughly, removing all the pumps and cleaning the magnets of the pumps, and everything in the every equipment of my aquarium comes off, and it's get thoroughly cleaned. The fish stays in a temporary tank till then. I have a 67 liters tank that's heated, and if it's winters it gets a heater and a bubbler and a filter, and uh, yeah, it takes about 6 to 7 hours to thoroughly clean the tank and fill back up, get it to temperature, and then I return the fish to their main tank. Okay, so before talking about the sump, I'm going to show you the overflow box. There are three holes in the main aquarium that overflows water to the overflow box. They are 1.5 inch each. Sorry, 1.5 inch each. They overflow to the overflow box. This is the main siphon line. This is the line with the breather on it, and this is the emergency overflow in case the pipe gets blocked, which has happened in my case. So they this handles the flow. They are each 1 inch pipe, and they have ball valve to adjust the flow that I have, and they overflow to the sump. Let's go to the sump now. Okay, so the space is little congested, so bear with me. This is this line, the first line, the first pipe you are seeing is the full siphon, and the second pipe you are seeing is the line with the breather on it. So, and this is the foam section, and water goes through here, and this is not for biological purposes. The pot scrubbies are used in trickle tower filter, but this is not for biological purpose. This is only for catching detritus, if very fine detritus. It helps very well in my case, but your opinion is yours. And this is for the biological. This is lava rock. It's 1 kg of lava rock, and here is a pump. It helps me to drain the sump. It's outward, it's plumbed outwards. It helps me drain the sump and fill it back up in case I want to do the water changes. Here are two heaters, 250 watts. Now it's summer, so only using one. In the winters, both are required to heat the tank to a temperature of 28 to 30 degrees. I generally keep my temperature between 28 and 30, but if sometimes I think my goldfishes are not healthy, the parasites are building up, so I generally increase the temperature to 32. This is the return section. I've got three pumps and no ball valve on them because I don't need one. So now returning to the main aquarium, the pipe on the right is the return pipe, and some decorations that I have, fake plants, and the lights. I'm not going to able to show you the lights that are lighting up the tank, but I can tell you that I have made them myself. They are home built. They are not store bought. I'm a big believer in money saving, and if you can do it yourself, then it's the biggest thing you can do. If you can build it yourself, the all the tanks that are shown in my video and all the sumps are made by myself. And one more thing, I do add sea salt in goldfish aquarium because it's beneficial for them, and the amount of sea salt in my aquarium, so the total volume of my aquarium equals to the operational value of my uh, tank is approximately 750 to 750 liters. So 750 liters, and the total gram of salt that I put in my aquarium is 250 grams for the whole aquarium. And I only put sea salt, not regular salt. And the my tank cycle per hour is 8 times the total tank value of my aquarium. So that's it.